Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is a 34 bit product mockup. These files are latest version of Photoshop and password in this web. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now. Apple user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so you see here beach rockets and box mockup. Simply double click. Here is a color, you can change it, and here is your design. You can import any design and write anything. Okay, you see, I know, and just double click here. Okay, uh, like this one. Now enter Ctrl S, and you see our images here. Next, box mockup. Here is just single box. Cardboard luxury box mockup. Okay, same thing here, just import your photo and apply here. Press Ctrl S for saving. Stand up pouch, display signboard, and here is set food, a lunchbox I think, and here is ribbon roll. Okay, food box, socks, and here is a gift box. Write anything, or sport bottle mockup or water bottle stick. Lipstick mockup, write anything. Luxury mockup. Wow, change background color. No, plastic food. So you can use in Photoshop latest version. Download this app for password. Take care, love, fish.